89 merge with a favorite Dragon Butterfly. All set. Group race category 8 and 9 merge has just begun. Golden Velvet didn't waste time at the break. And secondary outside is Dragon Butterfly. Running in the middle portion is River Mist, then followed over by Magic Carpet Ride, Sky Dragon, and Strawberry Dawn. Heading towards the 1,000 meter mark. Now we have runner number 5, Dragon Butterfly, takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is River Mist, running alongside Magic Carpet Ride, Golden Velvet. Racing second last comes Strawberry Dawn and Sky Dragon. Inside the last 600, we have Dragon Butterfly leading the pack by about 2 lengths. Running by the second now is runner number 3, that is Magic Carpet Ride, and already outside River Mist. And as they reach the last 450, Dragon Butterfly this time by about 3 lengths. Running by the second, Magic Carpet Ride, and already outside River Mist. And down the stretch they come, Dragon Butterfly now swings away by about 7 to 8 lengths, followed by River Mist, Magic Carpet Ride, and already outside Golden Velvet. And entering the finish line, Dragon Butterfly second. Close between Golden Velvet, River Mist, Magic Carpet Ride, Strawberry Dawn, and Sky Dragon comes in last.
Okay.